All right, this one's called Diaspora Hunt COVID Gear as Shortages Rack US. So pleased to expatriate for donations of medical equipment and gear as the Jamaican health sector braces for a surging COVID-19 case could flounder. I think they meant to flounder because they put founder instead, but it's flounder. Could flounder because of shortages in U.S. where the key diaspora centers are buckling under the weight of novel coronavirus outbreak. And this is serious news. All my fellow Jamaicans, yeah, this is not a good. Some hospitals in the US have reportedly advised healthcare professionals to recycle personal protective equipment, with doctors and nurses being forced to wear jumbo garbage bags for safety. Dr. Robert Clark, head of Help Jamaica Medical Mission, said that recently he had to wait 1 hour before entering the operating room because he was asked to recycle his equipment, something he refused to do because of the danger it posed. And he goes on to quote why he didn't want to do it because he doesn't want recycling equipment that may have germs, not really help not really a logical option. And I understand where he's coming from. All right. Diaspora leaders recognize a non-enormity of the challenge. According to a list distributed to the diaspora, the Ministry of Health and Wellness in Jamaica seeking 50,000 N95 masks, 400,000 surgical masks for healthcare workers, 400,000 surgical gloves for patients, goggles, face shields, medical protection gowns, ICU beds, and among other things. Wendy Hart, president of the American Friends of Jamaica, AFJ, has acknowledged the challenge of procuring medical gear and equipment. Hart conceded that a shortage of protective gear in the U.S. would make effort of AFJ and other coordinate entities that much harder. Dr. Karen Dunkley, Northeast Diaspora Council member Dr. Trevor Dixon, head of Jaja Foundation, bemoaned that the crunch that faces the Jamaican government. And basically saying that they should have been procured before. I agree with that. But say like they want to support Jamaica, but we who are in front line don't have enough to protect ourselves. All right. So basically, it said that more preparation could have been made globally, and I agree with that. All right. Hart said that AFJ fund has launched a $200,000 fundraiser to assist with purchasing equipment. A quote that I'm not going to read. Meanwhile, Jamaican-born Rhode Island elected member of the state's legislature, Marshall Ranglin Bassel, I'm remember that name, has launched a $10,000 fundraiser to benefit the residents of Bull Bay and St. Andrew. Product Ad Community, Wrangling Vessel, said that the funds would be used to purchase food, medical supplies, water, and other items for residents who have been under quarantine for 2 weeks. Quarantine is set to be lifted Saturday, which is today. They're basically Bull Bay is basically quarantine. They're basically free to go out their business, assuming that they do it smartly, of course. All right. And basically some more quotes which don't really add much to what I'm recording. So, all right. So yeah, basically just shows the predicament we have. So if anyone can help offset this, even though there are going to be barriers, especially with transporting things out from out the country, see what we can do. Cause this is not a good news, but this is necessary news we have to hear. So I have to see how this plays out. So again, not much I can say is hopefully things change for the better. So this is for State of Jamaica in the Caribbean. Check out my YouTube page, Miles Goodson Fair and Miles Productions. I'm done.